Hello everyone, this is Aryabhata from BCPP third year. Today I'm going to show my project that I made on .NET framework, which I use VB.NET. In this project, I have created a splash screen, a login screen, a sign up or a registration screen, and a forget password screen. The basic idea of that is uh, you just log in through your login credentials. If you're not created an account, you can just create an account and then log in. If you forget your login credentials, suppose you forgot your password, then uh, you can simply get a new password. You can generate a new password. So let's see. Let's run the program. As you can see, the splasher screen just gone away, and we are here in the login screen. Let's just show. We are here in the login screen. As of now, I have not created any account, so let's create an account. Username, password. If you want to check that the password or confirm password is matched or not, you can simply click on show password. Okay, it's perfectly matched. And I'm going to show you if it's not perfectly matched, then what's going to happen. Just I have removed this, and if I click on this, it will give us a message password doesn't match. So be sure password is matched or not. Now password is completely matched, then sign up. When I click on sign up, here a message come, account successfully created. I have to click on OK. I've clicked. Then it will redirect me to the login screen. So now I have to pass the login credentials. Password. Let's check the password. Yes, it's the password. And if I press login, then it will redirect me to the program. Okay. Then if what happened if I enter the wrong password? Let's see. If I enter the wrong password, here's a dialog box open. Incorrect login information. Please try again. Okay. Then we need to enter the username again. And the password. Then login. Login successful. Okay. Here I created a logout button. Simply I just press to get out of the program and again on the login screen. Now let's just check the forget password. Uh, Here I have to provide a username which is already existed. Let's check. Sure. New password. Confirm password. If I enter the username which I am not registered, which I have not registered, you can check if I click username is not available. Okay. So for that, I need to enter the username which I create, and then I'm going to provide it a new password and simply change the password. Then here the prompt open, password change successfully. Click on OK. It will redirect me to the login screen. Now I'm going to check whether it is the password is changed or not. Okay, so I'm going to log in again. And that's it. Login successfully. I have logged in. So that's it for today. So that's it for today. Thank you.